this event Khatoon International, which is organized by SMARTO LLC and represented by 22 Group. And of course ये बहुत prestigious event है for the women especially. आपको name से ही पता चल जाएगा Khatoon. Khatoon itself means a noble woman or a prestigious woman. So I will suggest to everybody, please come and have a take part in this event. So where you can show your talent, where you can show your energy, and of course our theme is totally modesty. Why modesty? Because we want to maintain their reputation. We are in Arab countries. This is our culture. So if we will talk about fashion, तो fashion के नाम से ये हमारा culture बिल्कुल different हो जाता है. So why we just want to maintain this culture actually. That is why our theme is modesty, जहाँ पे हमारी fashion walk होगी, but full fledged कपड़ों के साथ, full fledged good culture के साथ, जहाँ हम अपना culture इसको maintain कर सकते हैं fashion के.
Khatoon International Beauty Pageant and Awards 2022 is organized by Bharti Monga, Event Director, CEO, founder of SMARTO, award-winning fashion influencer, and presented 22 Group owned by Mr. Rashid Al Amiri, CEO, Maya Al Dafra. SMARTO and 22 Group are UAE-based companies. The main aim of this event is to encourage women to portray their beauty and talent in a modest way. This is where the absolute hard work, strength, and talent of women from all spheres of life is celebrated. Women are very strong, and this is a great platform to encourage and honor them. We feel very glad to announce our very first successful audition, which was organized on 14th May 2022, followed by second audition on 22nd May 2022 in Voco Hotel Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai. We invite girls and ladies who are confident and looking for an opportunity to get their names recognized. The grand event will be held in June, where ladies will be showcasing their talent and beauty in a modest way. This event is aimed at pioneering change and is mainly dedicated to women empowerment. Our vision is women empowerment, encouragement, and also complete support for children with special needs. Our mission is to ensure positive reinforcement, strong sense of self-worth, and confidence amongst women across the globe with such an event which promotes modest and timeless fashion.
I'm Mohammed Ejaz Rafi from 22 Group and Smarti CMO, and we are, the event is going on for Khatoon International. That's an event organized by Smarti and represented by 22 Group, and that's a fantastic event is going on here, and it will be a new opportunity for all the new participants, and hopefully they will be enjoy and there will be more success upcoming events for the participants. Please.
Hello everyone, my name is Aileen Tuna. I am the Marketing Director of Khatoon International. First of all, I would like to thank everyone who came in our special event, and I would like to invite others who didn't make it today. And I would like to tell to everybody, especially for the girls, that showcase your talent, give your best, always try, because you don't know when your opportunity will knock.
Hello everyone, I am Vishal Saxena from Rhythmic Life. I am here because of Skillopedia, where Morika had introduced us to be here, to be a part of this beautiful program where we are going to present ourselves as mentors to ensure that people get the best of their life and they are confident in whatever they do. Thank you everyone.
This is Rashid Al Amri, and this event is being organized by SMARTO, which represents 22 Group, and I am the CEO of 22 Group. And we have launched this event to empower the women, and we have put this name Khatoon because it's a nobility of the women. So we are looking forward to promote and empower the women in this event.